Ever wondered how to get your products onto one of the fastest-growing e-commerce platforms? This is your ultimate guide to becoming a seller on Temu. First, you'll need to head over to the Temu website or open the Temu app. Look for the Sell on Temu or Seller Center section, which is typically found in the footer or menu. Once you locate the Seller Signap, you'll be prompted to initiate your application. This is where you'll begin providing essential business information, such as your company name, business type, and primary contact details. Next, Temu requires identity verification to ensure a secure and trustworthy marketplace. Be prepared to upload necessary documents like a business registration certificate, tax identification number, and potentially personal identification for key stakeholders. Before moving forward, you'll need to carefully review and agree to Temu's seller terms and conditions. These outline important policies regarding sales, shipping, returns, and commission fees, so take your time understanding them. After your application is approved, the most exciting part begins: preparing your product listings. Gather high-quality images, detailed descriptions, accurate pricing, and relevant product specifications for each item you plan to sell. Finally, once your listings are live, utilize the Temu Seller Dashboard to manage your inventory, process orders, communicate with customers, and monitor your sales performance. Congratulations, you're now a Temu seller.